This is the mandioca. Skin it, chop it up, pressure cook it. Takes a while to cook, but like, it's really nice. It's a bit like a potato. Rip it up out the ground. Nice, sweet. Sweet as, oh my god. Clarissa thinks it's funny me talking to myself. But here, this is the bit of meat you want. Here, look. With this fat on the back. Yeah, it tails off to a point here. I think you'll find it's rump steak. This is way too much for two people, I'd say. I'll halve it off. What you need next? Sea salt. Okay. Smother it. Nice. It's the traditional way. Some people pour oil, olive oil, lemon, fruit juices, this sort of thing. But I tend to save that for the other steaks. When I've got picanha, I like to do it traditional, just with salt. That's it. So there you go. This now is going to go. This now is going to go on the barbie first time. I'll show you in a minute. Sweets. What we want is the thing lowered down as close to the coals as possible. Then what we do is take the meat, lay it flat down side as one lump like that. That fat will start dripping. What happens with the fat is this, so what you have to do is put it out with something. Feels good. After a bit, what you end up with is a nice crispy bit on the back there of the fat. Turn it over. See. Now, it's cooked on both sides. Oh yeah. Now we cut him like this. You end up with the steaks. What? You end up with the steaks. This one is there. I'm filming, love. I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to Jeff. Yeah. Just the end ones are already half done, so then they go back into the salt. Yeah. And a bit more chucks on there for good measure. Can't have too much. Salt up both sides of these now. Now what you've got is just salted up steaks. They return now on the sides of them. So you've got your fat running around here. Yeah. It's now like ½ inch thick. Get both sides cooked off pretty quick style. And that's where you end up. And what you want to do is cut here. Can't do it with that. That's how you want to cut it, like that, and that's how you eat it. With your little bit of fat at the top here, and your meat. This is well rare. That's how I like it though. Yeah. What's it like, love? Is it good?
The fat's like butter.
Yeah, nice. That's the finished mandioca product after 1.5 hours in the pressure cooker. Manioc. It's very similar to potato. It's a bit stodgier, but really nice stuff. And there's the nice. Look at that. What do you reckon, love? What's the verdict on the barbecue?
Wonderful.